Welcome to my facade designing course. So today I'm going to explain to you how can you start making facade shop drawings, facade or curtain walls or glass facades of the buildings. So before you start making shop drawings, you will be getting an issued for construction architectural drawings. So from the architectural drawings, how you can start making facade drawings, that's the basic what we're going to discuss on this video. So once you get the architectural drawing, the architectural drawing shows all the block walls, all the internal dimensions and many furnitures and everything. And when it comes to facade, you don't need all these internal details in our drawings. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to identify from the plan. You will take to the plan and identify all the facade items and remove all the unwanted things from the plan. The easiest way to remove that off the layer, instead of deleting it, you just turn off the layers of furnitures, layers of dimensions, whatever you don't require, you just turn off it, and then you will get the plan like this. So facade is mostly so after removing unwanted things from the plan, architectural plan, so the plan for facade, it will look like this. You see all the external sides, the glass wall area, you can see it's highlighted, and maybe you need to make a bigger size of the facade identification number, the type number CW123, which you need to make it bigger, because for us that's very important. And you need to identify also how many typical plans we have in a building, maybe 4 to 6, 8 to 16. So you need to identify all the non-typical plans must be prepared layout for us, and typical you can make it as a one plan, and non-typical you need to make it separate. So this drawings which I'm showing you is a 40-story tower, and here you can see 4 to 7 floors is typical, then 8 to 16 and 17 floor is a mechanical floor, so you have to make separate plan for it. So identify like this and make a different plan according to the architectural drawings. So once you make a key plan, the layout plan, the next step is going to make a section details. So you need to make a one floor section details first. Here you can see each and every curtain wall location you have to make separate section. If it is typical, you make one section, so it's up to the design of the building. So here we have different way of balconies and non-balconies, typical, continuous, different. So we need to make different sections. So according to your building, you need to make sections one floor only first. So once the layout is finished, you can move it to the title blocks. It's like this. You can put each and every plan in a different title block, and you can start numbering the drawings. Plan will start with PL001 and section SCE001 and elevation ELE01. So you will be making a log, you will be making a shop drawings log, and you can put all these numbers in advance. So you can add, whenever you finish one plan, you can put that number from your log. Next step is, you need to check in the plan. You can see here TGL 06 and 06 both side. Sometimes in our industry, TGL 06 in architecturally is the same, but in structural opening, if you check, maybe it's different. So we need to add a different number. So CW 01 with an architectural drawing showing 2. So we may have to make a CW 01 A, B, C. For our convenience, because each one we have to measure it separately, and if you are following as per size, as per drawing, then it's fine. But if you are going with the side dimension, then you have to put different number. So once you finalize your plan and section, you have to first one floor only. You don't make a section for the whole building, because you need to put in the profiles, final profiles and all. So first of all, you will give all the section and the plan to structural engineer. He will be checking structurally what size of the profiles to be used for the building. In the beginning, in the tender stage, they have selected some sections to make estimation, but maybe the structurally is not adequate. So first of all, you need to verify with structural engineer which profile to be used, what thickness, what number, which system to be used. So once you get this confirmation, and only you can start your final shop drawings. So here you can see the structural engineer's report. The report will show you what thickness of the profiles, what size of the profiles, and where to put your sleeves and bracket sizes, everything. And this is the analysis report from a structural engineer. So from this report, you will be starting your shop drawings. Once you get the structural calculations, get the profile confirmed, then you are going to start your final shop drawings for submission. So in the shop drawings, you need to put the actual profiles in each plan. So here you can see how you will make it, and the division you have to mark it, all the dimensions to show all in the key plan. So here this is the example of key plan final shop drawings which we got the submission for approval. So once you finalize your plan with the 1:1 sizes and with profiles and glass and everything, you will be starting with your schedule of opening drawings. Individual curtain walls to prepare in a separate shop drawings, separate elevation, plan, section and details. So here you can see an example of individual curtain walls shop drawings. Here you will be showing the actual division of the glass, claddings, whatever comes in that curtain wall, and that location you have to show it in this plan, in this shop drawings. You will be putting the tag numbers for the enlarged details, connection details and everything, so it will be shown in this drawing. So once you finish your schedule of openings for each facades in the building, you will be starting with the details. Here you can see a final details in 1:1 or 1:2 according to your requirement. So this is the way to make the shop drawings details. I suggest you to submit the typical details first to the consultant to know what actually you're looking for, instead of finalize the complete drawings and submit and get all the drawings got commended. So initially you have to submit some of the details, typical details to consultant to get the to get to know what actually they are looking for. So I prefer to submit the first set of drawings, not complete, at least one full floor and different sections to know what they are really looking for.